What's up? So I'm really, really excited because I cannot wait to share with y'all what I got in the mail a few days ago. So I'm signed up with this program called Influencer. Anybody can sign up for it. And you just fill out a survey. When they send it to you, you kind of answer questions about shopping habits and your demographics. They use that information to assess whether or not you'd be a good candidate to receive a product that they want to send out. In the past, I've gotten things like flavored water, pet toys, household items. I've gotten skincare, makeup, hair care. You get all kinds of stuff. It's really cool. And you get it for free. You get it for free. And all they want you to do is like offer your opinion on social media or, maybe go to that brand's website and write a review. So they're just, in turn for receiving the free products, just tell them what you think. So that's what I'm doing now. So I'm so excited because in the mail the other day, they sent me the Anastasia Beverly Hills Eyebrow Box. I was so excited about this because one, I love that brand. I've used her eyebrow products in the past. She's the queen of eyebrow products. I use the eyebrow gel and I also use the micro eyebrow pencil. And I really like those items a lot, but I'm a beauty product junkie, so I kind of bounce around. So I haven't used it in a while. So it's really nice to revisit a brand that I enjoyed and to use new products from that brand that I'm not familiar with. So I'm pumped for this. I'm pumped for this. So what I want to do is I want to walk through what they gave me and how I'm going to do my eyebrows with the products that they gave me. And I'm going to use her Power of 3 method. She has this Power of 3 method. It's 3 steps to get your perfect brow. So let's jump right in and get started. Okay, so the very first thing that I have here is the 7B eyebrow pencil brush. One end is an angled tip. This is what you would dip into your brow powder. And then you have your other end for brushing through your brows. So here is the brow powder duo. Isn't that packaging really cute? It has a mirror on one end. And then on the other end, you have a light color and a deeper color. The light color is for the front part of your brows, and the deeper color is for the tail end of your brows. And the reason for that is because our brows have a natural gradients to them. And if you use 2 different colors like this, it helps you to maintain a natural brow look. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to dip this angled brush into the lighter powder. And the shade I got was medium brown. And they let me pick the shade. And I'll be honest with you, I don't know. The lighter brow powder here, it looks like it's a little too light for me, but we're going to go with it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to very lightly fill in my brows using very gentle, light strokes. I personally really like a soft, natural brow. That is my vibe. I don't really like a dramatic brow. I think it looks amazing on other people, but just for my features, I feel like I look better with a softer, more polished brow. And as you can see, I'm keeping this lighter color on the front end of my brow. And I'm just using light strokes to just fill it in. Okay. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that same angled brush and I'm going to dip it into the darker color here. Tap off any excess. Then I'm going to go in and just fill in the tail end. And you can immediately see that darker color show up. And I'm also kind of outlining my brows a little bit to kind of help define my shape. Yeah, I like how that is looking. This pencil makes it so easy to apply that brow powder. And I'm able to really control the amount of product that I put on my brow. So I really like this brush a lot. It was a lot easier to use than I thought it might be. I thought, this might get kind of messy. I might end up using too much product, but no, I don't feel like I did. I feel like I had a lot of control. So now I'm going to take the other end of this brush and I'm going to brush through my brows. Just kind of blend the colors together. Because I want everything to look, like it belongs. And I want things to look gradient and like they're blended. Okay. And I like to kind of brush up like that. And then just kind of take the very tip end of my brush and swoop those little hairs that are sticking up. Swoop them down. And everybody has different tips and techniques for how they do their brows. This is just what I do. I that's what's so great about makeup is everybody kind of has their own way they do things. And you can just kind of do what you want to do and what makes you feel beautiful. So the next thing that I have is the Brow Definer Triangular Brow Pencil. And what is unique about this pencil is it is a triangular shape. And so you have the pencil on one end and the brush on the other end. And I like that this is very slim. See, look at that. It's triangular shaped, but it's very slim. And I really like that because let me tell you, some of these pencils, they're too thick and I end up applying too much color. So I like when they're like a little bit thinner because I can control the amount of color that I put in my eyebrow hair a lot better. And what I'm going to do with this is I'm actually just going to fill in the spots that were sparse. Just the areas of my brows where I feel like it's looking a little sparse. It's looking like, it needs a little more definition or color. And I don't put too much color at the tip or the front part of your brow because what that does is it will weigh your eyebrow down and it can actually make you look older or can make your eye look heavier. So it's really nice to kind of keep that as light as you can and just kind of keep more of that color towards the back, the deeper color. All right, then I'm just going to, brush it through again so I can blend everything. And then the last step is the eyebrow gel. And I have this in clear. I don't know if she makes other colors, but this is the finishing step. So the first step was to fill in your brows with the brow powder. The second step was to fill in any sparse areas with your brow pencil. And then the last step is the finisher step, which is to use the clear gel to help hold your brows in place. So I'm just going to brush that in. And there you go. And that's my finished brow. I've only done this side, not this side. So you can kind of see the difference. There's a little bit more color and definition over here than here. But I do like the way that it turned out. These products were really easy to use. It actually was really quick. I did my eyebrows relatively fast, in under 10 minutes. So, that was one brow. But I'm sure I would do it a lot faster if I wasn't talking and I was just doing it. But I actually really liked it. And despite this color being a little lighter than I probably would normally go, I still think it worked fine. Yeah, and I really liked it. I actually really liked everything that I used. It was so simple and easy. There was one product that she sent me that I did not use because I just didn't really find it necessary for myself, but she did send stencils. And she has 5 different kinds of stencils, and they each have a different type of arch. So you have a high arch, a petite arch, a full arch, a medium arch, and a slim high arch. And essentially what you would do with these is you would use them to help you define your eyebrow shape. And it also has markings on it to help you determine where your eyebrow should begin, where the arch should be, and where your eyebrow should end. I already have a defined eyebrow shape because I get my eyebrows done regularly. Like I usually go and have them waxed and whatnot. So I already have a shape in place. So I didn't really feel like these were necessary for me. But these could be a helpful tool for you if you're trying to determine, what your eyebrow shape should be. So just to recap, I got the stencils, which I did not use, but those are good for defining your eyebrow shape and where your arch should be. And then I also got the brow powder duo. You get two colors, a light and a dark. I got the triangular eyebrow pencil, the 7B eyebrow brush with a angled brush on one end and a brush through brush on the other end, and then the clear brow gel. So overall, I was really excited to receive this. I think it was fun and easy to use. I love stuff that's easy to use. I don't like things that are overcomplicated or take too long to execute. So this was like the right amount of speed and effort for me. So I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. And I look forward to sharing what comes next. Thank you. Have a great day.